Hi kids, welcome to our fun learning adventure. Today, we're going to talk about something super cool, learning. Learning is when we find out new things and understand them better. Just like when you learn to tie your shoes, count to 10, or read your favorite storybook. Learning can happen anywhere, in school, at home, or even when you're playing with friends. Learning might be when you discover how to tie your shoes all by yourself. Or maybe it's counting all the colorful blocks you have. Learning to read is the first step to reading a new story with your mom or dad. You're learning every time you try something new and get better at it. Learning is super important because it helps us grow our brains and understand the world around us. It makes us smart and ready for new adventures. When we learn, we can do amazing things like solving puzzles, knowing how plants grow, or even playing a musical instrument. As you get older, learning becomes even more exciting and important. You might learn how to do cool science experiments, read big chapter books, or solve tricky math problems. Learning new things makes you smarter and ready for even bigger challenges. Some challenges you learn to overcome are counting money and driving a car. Some challenges are for the bigger world of adults, like designing better cars and helping other people to earn money. So remember, learning is like an adventure and super fun, even if sometimes school is boring. Keep asking questions, exploring, and trying new things. If you are learning, you're doing an amazing job. Keep learning, and you'll discover just how awesome the world can be. Keep learning and stay curious.